Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Daily Slay with me, of course. Thank you guys for tuning in. So as you guys can tell, a girl tried some faux locks, and I did it like a bob length, kind of like the length of my hair in a way. And I want to show y'all how I did it, right? So before I start showing y'all how I do it and everything, this is a PSA. Please make sure you watch this part of the video, or else you're gonna be a little bit confused. So my hair is looking, you know, I kind of spruced it up a little bit with my edges, but I had this hair in for about a week and a half, and I'm about to take it out because of my job. But that's why it's looking a little frizzy, a little more natural, a little bit stale looking. So these are not freshly done, okay? PSA, these are not freshly done. I'm actually about to take them out. And when I first did my hair, I did it like really late at night, and I was too tired to record, and it was just a mess, okay? So I'm gonna show y'all how I do it before I take them out. So let's get started. I'm about to show y'all how I do everything from beginning to end. I am no expert, by the way. I literally just been watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos and kind of like decided what would probably work for me, or what I wanted to try, or what was easy. So by no means am I an expert or anything. There was a specific YouTuber though that I definitely learned a lot from. I believe her name is Bree Hall or something like that, I think. But I'll just put her name somewhere on the screen so you guys can go check her technique out as well. And then I'll put some pictures when I just did my hair, just so y'all can see what it looks like when it's fresh and stuff. And I'll put videos if I have any on the screen somewhere so you guys can see that. But again, this is a week and a half old, and I don't tie my hair when I go to sleep because I'm just lazy and I don't like stuff on my head when I go to sleep. So I'm pretty sure this could last you a little bit longer before it starts looking like this, but this is just me and how I roll. Anyway, enough of me rambling, girl. Let's get started and get this hair together. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it with these two strands, but I'm about to put my hair in a bun. So the hair that I'm using is called Bobby Boss New Locks. New as in N-U, that's how they spell new. New Locks in the color 1B, 18 inches long. It looks like this. Like that. In 1B, 18 inches long. Screenshot this, y'all, or go in the description box and find what y'all. Okay, so this is what my braided hair looks like, right? My hair is braided. This is the size of it. Okay, my hair is braided all the way to the end. So I'm gonna take one of the faux locks out of the package. This is literally how it looks. It's pretty long, and you're gonna notice that there is a loop. There's like a loop at the very top, right? And you're just gonna try to separate the loop. It's like a little loop that the hair hangs on the wire that is on in the package, and you're just gonna try to find the middle of it. Then you just pull. Take your time when you're doing this, because if you look right here, let me show y'all. You look right here, it's not split in the middle, right? It's supposed to be split in the middle, so you just kind of split it as it goes, and it'll naturally undo itself. So now we got an even longer piece, right? Now it looks like two pieces, and that's what it looks like. We want the hair to look like this part right here, okay? Frizzed out, all of that, like, and then we're gonna do this motion. We're just pulling it apart. See? This is what it's looking like when you pull it apart. This is what it's supposed to look like. So you just keep pulling, pull it apart. Just one half, And then this is what the other half looks like. See the difference? So now we're gonna do the other half. We're gonna pull the other half apart. So now we have to measure the hair to the length that we want it to be, right? So I got the hair right here. It looks shorter, but it's not once you stretch it, like it's actually long. So I got the hair right here. So I got the hair, right? This is the hair. So now I'm about to measure the length that I want. So grab your braid and hold the hair next to your braid, right? See how stretchy it is? So if you do this, and the length of my hair is like right here. So I don't want any extra hair at the end, because that's not the length that I'm going for. Again, if you want it longer, you will extend the hair past your braid, right? If you want it longer, extend it past your braid. But I wanted the length as my braid, so I'm going to measure to the exact length of my braid. And you do this with the hair stretched out as well. When you're doing it, make sure you're like doing this and stretching it, because it'll stretch when you're doing it. This is where I'm going to crochet in my hair. This is for my braid. This one is for the wrapping. So this is my crochet needle. It has a hook and a clasp to close it, okay? So again, don't lose where you measure with your hair. I tend to go to the back of the braid, like back here. This is where I put the crochet needle to tie the knot. Now you hold the one you're going to use with the braid along with the braid, and this is going to be what you're going to wrap the other end around, right? So hold this. Sometimes the hair will start to tighten up a little bit and form the original faux lock that it came in, but you just pull it as you go for real. This is how we're going to do it. So you're going to go like that. You guys, we're literally just wrapping, pulling. Use your finger to push it around like that. Pull, wrap, pull, wrap. I think I got to the length that I want. I no longer see my hair, so I'm gonna go and wrap the hair upwards. So now I'm gonna wrap the same hair again twice because I want my faux lock to be thicker. Again, you can leave it like it is and do it a little bit tighter and stuff if you want this length. So we're gonna do the same technique again when it comes to measuring the hair. This time we're not going to use the crochet needle, we're literally just gonna start wrapping it. This is the little piece that's left from wrapping. You're just going to wrap it upwards and look, right? So this is what this looks like. And I just ran out of hair to go down, which is totally fine. That's gonna happen sometimes, not all the time. And now I'm gonna show y'all how y'all could finish the hair. So this is the hair that I literally just added, right? I'm going to pull it apart. Gonna pull it apart. This don't go the way. I'm gonna pull it apart. That's what it looks like. And then I'm gonna wrap it around the original faux lock. But this is literally it. This is the old one that I had in my hair the whole time, and this is the new one. See if y'all can tell the difference. Old, new. Literally just did this for y'all. This is what the root is looking like. It's not even tight. That's what I like about it. It's still flexible. Put it up in a bun, put it down. It's not tight like when you just do faux locks and they looking like this, sticking off your head. Like, no, it's loose. And the biggest thing with making it loose is braid your hair like a couple days or something before you decide to put your faux locks in. Because the looser your braid and natural and frizzy your natural braid is, the more natural the hair will look, right? And the easier it will be to put it up in a bun right away because your braid isn't tight, it's not freshly done, it's old. So you can put your hair up in a bun if you want to after you're done doing your whole head, like wear it down, it's not gonna be looking crazy. That's the purpose of wearing stale braids or old braids or braids that's been in your hair for a minute, imperfect braids, to do these faux locks. That's a #1 tip as well. So now I'm about to show y'all how to take them down. This is the old faux lock. I'm gonna show y'all how to take it down. So I'm just gonna start pulling the hair downwards. Just pulling it downwards from my root. Pulling until I could, this is the faux lock hair, until I could find my braid somewhere in here to pull it out. So you got my braid right here and the faux lock here, these two. Remember we made that knot with the new one and we pulled it and we put the crochet needle through and all that stuff. So now we gotta undo the knot. It's not even hard. You literally like just look for the loop that you put the hair through and pull it. See? So this is the loop. This is the loop that I had put the faux lock through. So now I'm about to take the faux lock back through that loop and take it out. what my hair is looking like. Like, it was not, like, these are not, the parts are not perfect at all. My roots are looking loose as hell. Like, this is how loose it is. This is my hair. No faux locks, no none of that. Like, I missed my hair. It itches, it's oily from all the oils I put in my hair. But these are my braids. I'm about to go deep, condition my hair, give it a good treatment, and go back to normal. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope I explained it as best as I could. I hope I explained it enough for you guys to understand how to do it. I hope it comes out really good. If y'all do try this, post y'all pictures or whatever, go ahead and tag me or DM me or something. Let me know so I can see how y'all did. It was really easy. I really loved it. And it took me about 4 or 5 hours to do all of those faux locks in my hair. So, and that's just doing it straight, no breaks. So yeah, if you're gonna do it longer, just prepare to sit down for a couple hours, okay? 24 hours the most. It takes time. As simple as it looks, it takes time. I thought it was gonna I thought it was gonna be like a couple hours, like 2-3 hours, but that thing was like 4 or 5 hours. Yeah, and you could definitely do them bigger. These are how big my braids were. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and put that comment down below and I will answer all of your questions. Thank you for tuning in. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. For real. It's like, and I'll see y'all in my next video.